First, tell me that on which topic you are going to justify your answer. What is the topic? Like the topic is
Ma'am,
what is the best source of news? Newspaper,
internet.
newspaper, radio, TV, or internet? Okay, from yours, you want to say that internet is the best source. Yeah, tell
Yes,
about
ma'am.
it. How?
Internet is the best source of news because if we are traveling or on out of station, we are able to see the news. We get knowledge of different things. There is no there is no, it could be fake also. So so I so one should it
Cross check.
be blindly but
One should
wisely.
not follow it blindly. You should cross check that with other news channels also, yeah, other sources also. Then only you should believe, because internet is sometimes, it gives uh, authentication. There is some authentication problem in this. So maybe the things might get wrong, or sometimes predictions are also there on internet, like who's going to win Big Boss season this. So you can get wrong information in this also, so you have to be very clear. Or either you can download some specific news channel apps like Aaj Tak, Z News. You can also download
Ma'am,
them in your
AVP
mobile.
News app.
AVBP news app and something like that. So they are more authenticated rather than normal Google and all, na? So you might get. So what others have to say about it?
Ma'am, the best source of news is radio because, like Nimrat had said, when we are going anywhere, so we can get out a radio because radio can catch the signals from everywhere. And sometimes there is no internet, so we cannot able to see the news from internet. So, I think that the best source of news is radio. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Anyone else? Yeah, Dhyana,
Yes, ma'am.
what you have to say in this regard?
Ma'am, I will support internet.
Okay. Yeah, tell me about it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, nowadays there are several channels to get news, such as the radio, TV, newspaper, and internet. I think internet is the best among these
Hmm.
because we can find everything we want on internet, the latest news, books, songs, movies, cartoons, whatever.
Okay.
With the radio we can just hear songs, sometimes news. Compared to a newspaper, and radio and TV can provide the latest information, and the internet is convenient way of getting information.
Yeah, yeah.
But yes, we should not follow it, the internet blindly, as wrong information may occur there.
Yeah, correct. So, well, the internet has become a better option because it presents the reader with a variety of news sources, hence leaving the user with enough information that can enable him to make judgments for himself as compared to like other news sources. So, very good, all of you. You have given your viewpoints like that. Radio, I would say that radio is also a good option, but Khushi, nowadays, radio signals are getting, are
Ma'am, they are getting weak, but
they're getting
I'm
weak,
saying in
and internet is available everywhere. Only
yes,
just
ma'am.
you have to and mobile phone, you can, like, everyone carries mobile phone within, na? But radio and all these kind of things cannot be nowadays. Even if you go to the market, you won't be able to find a radio. because no
Yes.
one has radios. Everyone is like, phone has become that source of news, entertainment, everything. Like, it's a small packet, bada dhamaka right now. So phone is a small thing, and it has all the information which you can, which anyone wants, like either studies, news, whatsoever. So, but only you should have good mobile network connection in that. So you, in one click you can get any of your like, okay. Does anyone has to say anything, or this topic is done? Let's move ahead. Okay. So, well, next topic is